Hello everyone. In this video I'll show how you can use Screencast-O-Matic to embed audio-visual material into a discussion forum when you're applying to your students. And the same practice will hold for students as well. They can also use Screencast-O-Matic to upload their own audio-visual responses to the prompts that you set out for them. So I'll show you how you can do it now. If you scroll down to where you want to reply to students and click Reply, you'll see the Rich Content Editor. Now keep in mind you can use this wherever there is a rich content editor. You can embed a video from Screencast-O-Matic. That includes announcements, the syllabus page, any pages you design for a front page in your course, for instance, or any content pages that you share out through, for instance, a module. As long as you see this space right here, you have the option to embed a video. It's right here, this little arrow one. So you click on it and Screencast-O-Matic would be the first option that you have there. So what I'd recommend to you is initially say something like, well, initially just include your reply to the student's email, including whatever feedback you want to provide for them. Then include something like, I go into a little more detail in the video below, providing just a little bit of context for what the video is going to talk about. Then, for the video, click on the arrow right there, choose Screencast-O-Matic. And if you're already logged in, it will give you all of the videos you've already recorded. What you'll likely see, though, since you haven't used it yet, is this page, because you have to log in first in order to access it. So you will need to create an account with Screencast-O-Matic. You can do that by going to www.screencastomatic.com and signing up for an account. It is free. But the Teaching and Learning Center does have licenses available which allow you to edit their captions, which allow you to edit the video, and to do other things as well. Those are on the computers in the Teaching and Learning Center. So please get in touch with us if you'd like to use those for creating instructional videos or feedback for students. Once you have an account, you'll have to put your email in here and your password. And once you've done that for the first time, you won't have to do it again. It will continually remember you. So, in all the videos I have so far, I will choose this one. I have options to hide the title. I'm going to keep it available. I can show the controls. I'll make them available so that people can see these. And I'll keep the captions on as well, but I'm not going to turn on autoplay. You can choose size. I'd recommend small, and click on Embed. And there you go. You can click on Post Reply, and your reply will be posted. Hello everyone. In this video we're going to show you how you can start building assignments in your Canvas course and how you can start organizing them into assignment groups. To get to your assignments page, click on where it says Assignments in Course Navigation. Yes, you can make the individuals fast forward if you add that particular option to it. So that's how you can embed the video into your Canvas course in the discussion forums. Other things that you can do as well, you can click on Reply and create another video directly from Canvas. So watch as I click on More External Tools, Screencast-O-Matic. There is an option to create a new recording directly from Canvas. I can't do that right now because I'm actually recording this video using Screencast-O-Matic. So I'm not actually able to show an instance of Screencast-O-Matic being used to record another instance of Screencast-O-Matic. But if you'd like to have some guidance on how you can create videos using Screencast-O-Matic, how you can edit them, how you can add captions to them, and all the rest, please contact us at tlc@laselle.edu, and we'll be happy to work with you on how you can do that. Keep in mind that students can do this too. They can record their own videos using Screencast-O-Matic, and then they can upload them in the same way that I just showed to you right now. So that's something that you can ask your students to do, for instance, if you want them to record a narration for a PowerPoint that they've developed, and then they can upload it to a discussion forum so that individuals would be able to see it. It allows individuals to watch the video while in Canvas, not getting linked outside of it, and to be able to access that audio-visual component. So it'll be more engaging because they can hear the person's tone of voice as they're delivering the stuff. So, as before, like I said, please get in touch with us if you have more questions about how you can do that, and we'll get back in touch as soon as possible.